Welcome to the tutorial on how to edit the Farm SOP Trivia game. Before you start to edit, fill out the categories, questions, and answers that you will be using by editing the template provided. Now that your template is filled out, you can start to edit. You can also print a copy of this for the game host to use during the game. First, we will edit the categories. There are two ways to this. 1. Type or copy and paste the category you made. There are 12 places for each category. 2. A faster way to do this is to use the Replace tool in the above ribbon. This will change all at once for each category. Next, we will edit the questions and answers. Copy and paste your question. Do the same with the corresponding answer. Move to the next question and repeat the process. In addition to text, you can also add pictures and zooms. Let's fill out a couple more. Now let's test it. Click on Slideshow and start the presentation from the beginning. We will meet the players and start the game. Let's look at our SOP categories. Now we will choose a category and point value. You can also change the text color to make it more appealing. Clicking on the timer icon will count down the clock. Once the player has said their answer, click on the reveal button to see if they are correct. If they got the answer correct, click on their green plus icon to add the points to their scoreboard. Then go back to the main board. If the player gives a wrong answer, click the red minus sign to subtract the points. Adding pictures, zooms, and animation to your questions and answers makes your game more interesting and is a good visual refresher on the SOP they have learned. Also, by referring to the actual SOP or training, it eliminates any controversy that may arise with the answer. Once all the questions have been asked, click on the Final Clue button. For this question, all players can answer by writing down their answer on a piece of paper. All players with the correct answer get the points. Click on the Final Score button to see each player's results. When you are finished, click on the Reset Scores button to reset the scores to 0. Enjoy the game and have fun practicing your farm SOPs. Check out Ag-eLearning.com for more fun farm training games.